Definitely the boxes are different. This does have that UNC blue, that Nike in black. 2020 pair came out with the OG box in black with that Nike in red. Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, go and give this video a big like. Trying to get
Come
this
on.
video to 100 likes.
Right. Hey, we know y'all watching the videos. Hey, just give us a like. That's all we asking for is the thumbs up.
Hey, welcome back, sneakerheads. In this video, we'll be doing a comparison video. As you know, we have these Jordan 1 UNC toes set to release on July 22nd with a retail price of $180. These right here, University Blue, came out in 2020, and we're doing a quick comparison to see which one you like best. So we're going to first start off with some of the similarities that these two shoes have. Starting off from the back, both of them do have that UNC outsole. Moving on to the midsole, they both have that white midsole. Here's the toe box. They both feature the same toe tag in that UNC blue. However, the actual tongue, as you can see on this pair, is black, and this pair right here is white. It does come with black laces as well inside, and this has the black laces as well that comes on the shoe. Both of these do have the Jordan Wings logo in black. Both of these do have that black swoosh right here in the middle of the upper. As you can see, both of these are white. And also, if you look at the insole, they both feature that black insole and black sock liner. They are kind of similar. I don't know if the camera can pick up. This blue right here, UNC blue, is a little bit more brilliant or bright. And this one right here is kind of like a more soft blue. I don't know how to really describe the color to you. But basically, as you can tell on camera, there are two different shades of UNC blue. So let me know in the comments, do you already have these Jordan 1 University Blue? Let me know in the comments, are you going for these Jordan 1 UNC toes? So those are the similarities. There is a lot of similarities to both of these shoes. Now, one of the biggest difference, as you can see, is the 2020 pair features this UNC blue, comes all the way around from the back collar, and it does go around the eyelids and comes down to that toe. To the toe box, it's all a UNC blue. And this one right here, we're moving on from this UNC blue, then it comes down, the eyelids are black, coming down to that black toe box. Now, one of the biggest difference, as you can see, the 2000 pair has that white toe box. This year's pair has the UNC toe and that UNC blue. Again, if we can look at the leather, to me this is a decent leather in my opinion. I am not a Jordan 1 collector, so if you do know more about the leather on the UNC toe, just let me know. And this right here, I don't know if you can pick it up, but it does have that buttery look on it as well. It does have that soft leather. In my opinion, the UNC toes feel a little bit softer. Like I said, I do collect the UNC colorways, so both of these are, in my opinion, nice shoes. Again, it's just more like the black version and the white version. So let me know in the comments, which one do you like the best? The UNC toe 2023 or the original, the Jordan 1 University Blue 2020 pair? Let me know in the comments which one you're rocking.
Hey, and if you like content like this, check out that video right there.
Like we said for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.